Hi everybody, I am talking to you guys today about literacy stations. I'm going to talk to you about how I organize stations, and I'm also going to talk to you about one of my favorite stations that I do. So if you look here, you can see that this is my literacy station board. Up at the top it says workstations because this is my literacy station board and also my Build MathTub board. So in this, you're really going to ignore the numbers on the right. If you want to know more about those, then you need to go back and look at my video from yesterday, and I have a better explanation for that. But today what we're focusing on are the cards that come right after the pictures. If you notice here, my kids are grouped in 2 to 3. They have 2 tasks that they need to complete before they complete their Book Buddy bag. And again, like I just said, I have literacy stations and math tubs grouped, and what that does is it just helps me not have to have a bunch of different places in the room where kids are going to find things. Here's a more zoomed up view. So if you look up here, these first 2 kids are going to go to ABC Station and Dot Paint. And then all kids, their last station will be Book Buddy bag. So the first thing that these 2 kids are going to do is they're going to walk over and they're going to check. And they're going to see that they have ABC Station and Dot Paint. The next group of 3 is going to see that they have stamps and sentences, sentence building. The next group down, the third group down, they're going to be doing Dice Drive and Beginning Sound Boogie. And again, Book Buddy bag at the end. So after they go and look at the board, those first 2 kids, if you notice up there on the top left, it says ABC Station and Dot Paint. So they'll grab the basket and they'll take it to a work area in the classroom. So they find the corresponding picture card and the matching activity, and I try to put all of the materials that the kids are going to need in the basket that they're going to be using. Just a little piece of information. My principal that I had when I first started teaching told me that she really liked giving students an idea of what the task at hand was going to be. So for example, if kids are going to be doing syllables, then they should have a station that's named Syllable Station. If they're going to be working with a dictionary, then they would be doing Dictionary Drive. So a little bit of the directions are going to be within the task card. So if you notice here, these are some of the literacy stations that my kids are going to be doing throughout the year. Alphabet Avenue, Read and Write the Room is a staple, puzzles, sorting, and these are just some of the cards, but I wanted you to have a better idea of what they look like. I put one on the basket and one on the board. A station that I do all year with my kids is Dictionary Drive. This first one is a level 1, so kiddos would look in the A and find something that started with an A, write the page number that they found it on, and then drew a picture of it. This would be something I would do with my kids in August and September. The middle one, level 2, is one that I do with my kids throughout the year for the most part, where they write the word, they write the page number that they found it, and then they draw a picture of the word. This seems to be the one that kids are a little bit challenged with, but they can definitely do on their own. The last one is a little bit more difficult. The kids have to find the word and the page number. Then they have to write the word in a sentence using the context of the word, and then draw a picture. So some of your kids might be able to do level 3, and that's why I have it in there, just in case you think that your kids can. But level 2 is where my kids stay for the most part, and this is an example of a completed Dictionary Drive. So you can see they wrote the word, the page number, and then drew a picture of it. Last week in my session, I had a couple of questions about what dictionaries I use. The one on the left right here is an updated version of the one that I have in my classroom, and I really like it. The one on the right is one that another teacher has in my kindergarten team, and they seem to really like it as well. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Again, all of these things that you've seen in this video are part of my Christmas in July. You can look at the pictures of all of the different units that you can find on sale today in the picture below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later.